How's it going? We're going to wait for some more people to get in here. What's up, Head Hog? First here. Flip Coins. Happy Thursday. How's it going, guys? Let me finish up here on YouTube. I was uploading one last video. Internet keeps going down. Have to keep restarting my whole laptop, and every time I try to upload, it just crashes. I don't know what's happening. So hopefully, let me X out a bunch of stuff here so we don't get shut down during the live stream. But yeah, Thursday. Let me get this X'd out. Almost there. How you guys doing today? Almost. Yeah, I was hoping to have all this done before we started the stream, but like I said, it just kept acting up on me. Sorry, X out of that. Go back over to StreamYard. What's up, John? How's it going? What's up, Alicia? Hope you're doing well today. 4 people in the house right now. Let me go ahead and X that out. Is there anything moving today? Saw Solana was up just a bit. Trying to clear out my computer so it doesn't crash. All right, what we got? Turbo is going up a little. Okay. Yeah, looking at the dominance here, I just drew a fib on it real quick. High to the low. It's over the 618, 57.7. This thing's about to break out and go to the moon. We're never going up. As long as this is going up, there's no alt season yet. We need this thing to start dropping. But if we do a fib on it, just simply support back here. We're above it. We're sitting here. So if it continues to climb, we may do nothing for the rest of the year. It needs to start coming back down. So maybe until this comes down, maybe meme coins are the play. If Solana starts to pump, then maybe we'll get some Solana coins to pop off. And then we'll have these others like Used Car and Honk and all them start going right back up. All right, let me go over here. Turbo. Let's see what Turbo's doing. Yeah, Turbo's holding up. This is what I mentioned the last time we looked at it. That it could get bought right back up and hold over the previous high here at that yellow line at 9.8. So it's looking good here. It's holding up. Next stop is $1 billion market cap and a 52% move up. So maybe it spikes up soon up to that penny and a half there. It looks good. The momentum on the weekly's up. Maybe getting ready to go again as long as it's holding here. Not bad. Turbo to the moon. Flip coins, $4.99 super sticker. Appreciate that. Always the first one on the day. I appreciate that a lot, man. What else we want to look at? Not very many people here. I don't know how many people would show up this early. Where I am, it's 10 o'clock in the morning. 10:15 now. Was there anything moving? I saw, where's OG Jerry at? I saw people talking about Litecoin this morning. Apparently Litecoin's about to pump because they got some ETFs, 3 ETFs coming out. Yeah, let me bring up Deck Screener. Let's go see what the Solana coins are doing. No, not Solana. But someone asked for Samo yesterday. I don't think we got around to looking at it. And then it reminded me, I forgot about the other Samo coin, the other Solana coin. What was it? The Solana Llama thing. What is it? Solana? Yeah, I think it is Solana. Forgot about that one. 5.8 million market cap. Yeah, used car still just sitting here. It's not doing anything really. It's doing this. Well, not that yet, but it's still over the 382, so you're still bullish over 1.3. So maybe if Solana continues to run, or not run, but what, I gotta go look at Solana. I haven't looked at it. Hold over the 382 and then go back up at some point. But you said, I think you said you're holding for the long term. You're holding until you get your 30x here. 30x on used car. Yeah, it hasn't really changed. It looks good. It broke out, pulling back. It's over the 382. It's going to run again at some point. Pull this down because it is coming down just a little bit more here. 31x now. To 57 pennies on used car. Samo. I don't know. Did we look at Samo? Don't really remember. We'll see. Oh, maybe we did. Oh yeah, Samo's in a good spot. This is the right Samo, ain't it? Where's their Twitter? Wait, I'm not even showing the screen. Damn. I forgot. Yeah, let me get over to Deck Screener. All right, there we go. All right, we'll go back to used car. Used car to the moon. Samo, but this is the real Samo, huh? They don't have a picture up here. This is not the right Samo. Is this the right Samo? Thought Samo was more popular than this. I'm looking at their Twitter real quick. It's the right Samo. They got 176,000 followers. Samo to the moon. All right, so this apparently is the right Samo. I just figured there'd be more. Okay, they got 95,000 holders almost. All right, so Samo here looks good. Samo's primed and ready to pump. Break the downtrend, get a nice little pump like used car. And then you can see a 12x up to the 1618. And then a 6.5, almost a 7x to the new high at 5 pennies. Samo's a good play, I guess. It hasn't broken out yet. Go back to used car because I didn't have it up on the screen, which is right there. But yeah, what I was saying on used car, it looks good still. It really hasn't moved. It's over the 3.2, 13.6 here. Here at 17.5. It's bullish here to go up at some point. And then from where it is right now, hit a new high at 31x. But yeah, I would just hold these meme coins until they get where you want it to go. Flip coins is going to be rich off of used car, huh? Used car. And then what was the other one? We did Samo. Solama. I don't know if I'm spelling that right. You guys remember Solama? 25,000 holders. Yeah, I forgot about Solama. Solama's another one here that's probably going to run hard. 12 million market cap. But yeah, like I said, as long as the Bitcoin dominance is up, Ethereum's still not doing anything. Ethereum's still dropping, ain't it? There is no alt season yet, so meme season is probably going to come first, which we've already seen, like I've been mentioning. Honk already took off, used car already left. Yeah, this one broke the downtrend already. Market structure here looks good. It's curling up. This thing's about to go probably. Solana, another good play. Broke the downtrend, but it hasn't initially pumped yet, so it may just go straight up. And if this one goes to a new high, 20x. Solana for almost a 21x. Not bad. Flipcoin says Billy. 14 people here, not too bad. Billy. So Solana, Samo, Soul Ordi. There's a lot of good plays out there. You said Billy. Billy's another good one, ain't it? We've been watching Billy here. Billy on Solana. On Solana. Billy. What is this chart doing? All right, it's still holding the trend, as you can clearly see here. This could very well be the bottom on the short-term high to the low. You're right above that 236 at 2.9. You're at 3.1. 31 million market cap. Yeah, this is the one we were mentioning that is kind of getting squeezed here off of this most recent high trend, uptrend, whatever you want to call this, downtrend line, and then the uptrend here. As long as you hold over 2.9 on Billy, it's going to break out over 4.3. If it breaks out over 4.3, the price is about to get squeezed here, and it's probably just going to shoot straight up. So maybe we're getting ready to go on a lot of things. This looks like it's ready to shoot, get squeezed to the upside. And if it comes up all the way up here, would be what, 36x? Let's see, let's get another level on here. 37x, really. But if Solana's starting to finally move, maybe we are going to start going up. All right, so the new high on this one would be a 15x almost, a 14.5x. It's going to shoot straight up here for a 15x. Can you imagine? Billy looks good here. And it's over the macro 236 also, so it looks really good. Yeah, Billy for the win. We got... That's LFG from Chaya. Yeah. I can't wait till we finally take off. I need my coin to pump because there's so many juicy plays to put in. Flip coins for $9.99 super sticker. I appreciate that again. Just keep paying and I'll just look at every coin you want me to. Check Shapeshift Fox. Looks like it's trying to push up. Yeah, what is Bitcoin at? I didn't even look at Bitcoin today. Bitcoin's up just a little bit. But yeah, I appreciate that, Flip Coins. You make my day every day. All right, any more coins anyone want to look at on Dex Screener? All right, we're going to go look at Fox, see what Fox is up to. I still never did find that one coin I was looking for. There's another Solana coin, but there's so many plays out there on all the chains. What is Speedy doing? Is Speedy still going to the moon? No, Speedy's pulling back finally. Hopefully, whoever had Speedy, hopefully they took some profit here. It's still bullish over 1.9, but I know they're not in here watching right now, so. There was another one. I saw it on CoinGecko. Let me just go back here. There's another one that was running. It was up like 60% today. It was a meme coin. Let me see if I can find it before we go over it back, and we'll look at. Oh, there was that Klaus coin. Oh, Godius Maximus Goat. What is that on? Goat. Goat to the moon. The music's not too loud, is it? I didn't even ask. It's loud in my ear, so I don't know if it's loud in you guys' ears. Goats. Did you guys see Goat taking off? It's like, why can't I catch these? They made one on. There is one on Solana, but I think it's this one. Goat on ETH. Maybe it is Solana. I don't know. I'm not sure which one it is. This one only has 3,000 holders, but this thing just had a monster run. Wow. Just did a 290x out of the gate. If that's the right one. Let's look at the Solana one. Maybe someone made a copycat. Godius Maximus Goat. Oh, it looks like the same thing. This one has 40,000 holders. I don't know. I just saw that the Goat coin was running, so ETH and Solana, they're both going to the moon. No idea if they're rug pulls or not, but can you imagine? Smoking Crypto, how's it going? I don't know if you've been here before. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Hope you're doing good today. Chaya for 5. I appreciate that. Deck screener coin. Is that on Solana or Ethereum? My computer's acting slow. Come on now. Yeah, there's one on ETH and one on Ethereum. Is this it? Okay, Solana. Good deal. All right, we'll look at it here. Solana, another one here. Curling up. Already going to the moon. Hopefully you're making some money on this thing. Yeah, hopefully you guys are making some money, because somebody's got to make money. But it's sitting here, what is it, 3,000 holders, 9 million market cap, 500K liquidity. Low or high to the low, this thing is over the 618 at 9.5. So that's your reversal from the downtrend. It clearly broke and went up. This is what flip coins want used car to do. Pull back and then hold the 382 and then continue running here. That's probably what it's going to do, because this is right where used car is, and then it's going to start moving. But yeah, how much is this thing up already? Looks good. If you bought down here in this accumulation, wow, you already got over a 10x. You got about a 7 or 11, almost a 12x, depending on where you bought in. If you bought the bottom wick here, you already got a 26x. Not bad. And then if it continues to run, on Solana here, new high would take you up here to 22, and you're looking at another 18.5, 19x on this thing, which it is bullish. It's over the 618. Could potentially break out here and go. Another good one that's already running. We already missed it. It's already gone. Oh, you haven't gotten in yet? Good morning, Philip. How's it going? Music is okay. All right. Oh, you haven't gotten in on this one yet? I don't know what to tell you. This thing already left. But this is what we keep looking at here on the live streams, is these that was the wrong thing I pulled up. We're looking at these Solana and ETH coins that haven't moved yet, that are still in the downtrend. I mean, you can do whatever you want, but that's what I'm looking for. There we go. Things that are in the downtrend still, that haven't quite broken out. We saw Honk break out, Used Car break out, several others I can't remember. This one here, he's broken out. I mean, if you get in now, it could easily pull back if it wanted to. But like I said, it is at that breakout point. It's over the 618, so it's probably going to run, but I don't know. My opinion is I would wait. I would buy stuff that's still a downtrend and still getting accumulated. But yeah, it looks good there. It's bullish. It's moving. But we looked at Solana, Used Car, Samo. But a perfect example is the one that I got into. But what other? There was another one. What was Izzy doing? But what we're looking at, you know, we looked at Samo. Samo's still in the downtrend. Sol Ordi here, still in the downtrend, waiting for that initial breakout and move. That's where I would buy them, when they're still on this phase here with the bullish market structure. So Sol Ordi looks very good here. And then the other one, guys, this is an Ethereum one. And this is another good chart. It looks like it's still holding. Doesn't have to be perfect. It is a meme coin, by the way. It is making higher lows, so that is very bullish. But when you see a chart like this where it pumped up and it's just making higher highs and higher lows, this thing's just coiling up, and it's probably just going to have a large green candle spawn in, which that line here represents that. But yeah, that's the two charts that we like. The dev burns his tokens on Hehe. Well, I mean, I haven't heard of this one yet. I guess burns are always a good thing. Like I said, it's in that point to where it is bullish right now. It's over the 618. It could just continue to run here and do another 20, or what is that, an 18.5, 19x still. Wouldn't be a bad gamble. Throw $100 here to see if it continues to run. At least the next stop would be, it is over the 618. You could get an 80% move here up to the next resistance at 2.1, as long as it's over that. So at least an 80% move. Almost 2x your money there. But yeah, how's everyone doing? How's it going? Philip, welcome in. Did an earlier stream today. We're going to see how it goes. So far, it's going pretty good. I was trying to get some updates on the channel done before I got on the live stream. Like, it was like an hour and a half, 2 hours ago, but my internet kept going out. It is what it is. Any more coins to look at here? I never could find that coin. Oh yeah, he said Shapeshift. It looks like it's ready to break out. I guess we'll go look back and look at Shapeshift real quick. All right, John, have fun at work. We'll see you later. Don't work too hard. Yeah, let me just go back over here real quick. All right, he says Shapeshift looks like it's ready to go. We looked at Turbo. Turbo's looking good. It's holding up here. Still trying to get to that billion market cap. 1.5 pennies there. I updated Bonk yesterday. Bonk's looking really good. It's still holding up. It's going to have a huge run when it breaks out. What else are we looking at? Oh, he said Shapeshift. So Fox. Oh, Fox is breaking out. Are we back? Are we bullish? You could pull this up a little bit. I guess you could. There's a lot of wicks, but I'm not going to do that. It needs to get over this red line here at 4.1. It's at 384 to confirm that it is breaking out. and then on the macro, 4.7 here. But yeah, it held. Downtrend is potentially breaking finally. If this does not turn into a wick, and then we'll have to adjust this a little bit. You can see we still have some wicks through it. So what I would simply say on Fox, if you're still watching, you have to get over 4.1 here. Over 4, then it's going to confirm the breakout here. And then take it a step further on Fox. Fox is finally trying to break out. All right, so we have the 236 there. Why did we have this red line there? Maybe it's here. Yeah, I'm not too sure. All right, so if we go on the larger one here, we'll do it this way. 4.5, it's going to confirm. 4.5 up to 4.7 is going to confirm the bottom is in, macro and short term here. And then if we want to look at, we'll do the smaller one here because it did dip down and pull back up. So if we do this here, yeah, maybe if you stay over 3.7, you're at 3.8, then the bottom is in and this thing's going to continue to move. And then up over 4.1. I don't know why that line is there, but you can clearly see there's support and resistance in the history of the chart in that area. So maybe that's why it's on the screen. I don't remember. Maybe I need to start writing little notes on them. But yeah, we'll see. Stays over 3.7, gets over 4.1, and then 4.2. It's breaking out. Shape shift to the moon. Anything else trying to break out or move? I guess I can go look at crypto bubbles and see what's moving. Yeah, but Fox is going to be a good play. Oh yeah, someone said math rugged. The crypto, how's it going? Yeah, did math really rug? I didn't even look at it. Let me look at math really quick. What did math do? Oh, it did. I don't remember what we were saying last time on math. We do have this line here that it's over the 382, so you're bullish. You came back down perfectly to that. You can clearly see the price is getting stuck right at the 618 and the candles are getting stuck right at the trend. So that's the reason here. But it's still trying to hold up. It's over the 382. Maybe it gets bought back up. It has 3 days left on this candle. Maybe it holds back over the 0.5 and then pushes through. And then once you get over the 618, then that's when you'll know you're back above this trend line here and back to being bullish here. And then of course this yellow line here is to break this previous high at 8.6, and then once you break that, you have that bullish market structure back in play. But yeah, math like Polyswarm, they broke these downtrends, they accumulated, broke the downtrend, and they had these huge candles spawn in. So regardless, it's a very good step in the right direction here. And like I said, once you break over these prices here, it's good to go. Not looking too bad off of that large red wick here and the back test of the 382. That's simply what it did here. It blew through that level, the 382, so it needed to back test it real quick and fill this gap. So that's all done now. Now she can focus on moving up. Hopefully you guys didn't sell when it dropped. It's back up 20%. How hard was that drop, by the way? Oh, wow. 60%. Did that happen all in one candle? Pretty much. Jeez. Is there a reason anyone know of why that happened? Did they release tokens or something? I don't know, but it looks good. It's okay right now. It's, you know, hold it for the long term. Yeah, and long term being said, where's math going to end up? We have our target up here. New high 1272, 1275 is going to give you a 1.4 billion market cap. If it makes it that high, it is on Coinbase at very low market cap. That's going to give you a 20, almost a 30x. And then the next big stop up from where you are, once you get over the trend and the 618 and break that high, would be 280% move up to the 786 at 159 here. And then what else we got? Only 14 people here today. Flipcoin says RBT. What is RBT? Is that Ribbit or something like that? How about Hopper? I guess they're calling Deck Screener back, huh? But yeah, there's a lot of good plays out there. We just looked at He's going to the moon right now, looking bullish. You said RBT. Ribbit, unless you're talking about something else. Ribbit to the moon. Oh, there's OG Jerry in the house. I mentioned you at the beginning, OG. I was watching, or not watching, I was scrolling through Twitter and the YouTube earlier. People are starting to talk about Litecoin again, so Litecoin for the win. There's mentions or rumors of 3 Litecoin ETFs coming out. So maybe it's about to go. Litecoin's about to rip to the moon. Ribbit. Well, I must have looked at this at some point. All right, let me just get that off. Ribbit. Let's see what we can draw on Ribbit here. Ribbit, 10 million market cap, good lock liquidity, 17,000 holders, not bad. This is the right Ribbit, ain't it? Ain't it? Ain't it, y'all? Go high, low. Let's see what this tells us. Oh yeah, clearly this thing put this bottom in here. So if you bought in here, good on you. Came right up to the previous high, got stuck. It pulled back. It looks to be that it formed a bull flag or a falling wedge here, and now it's moving up. It's back over the 786 at 2.3 or 2.4. Curling up here. This thing may be getting ready to spike up here. So with that being said, Ribbit's not looking too shabby at the moment. Breaks over 4.9. If it can get over that previous high, that's a 100% move. Next target up is about a 5x up to the 1272 at 12.9. So you may have a huge spike up to that level and then a pullback and then it'll go again. Yeah, not looking bad. Another Solana one here with a completely different chart than what we're used to. But yeah, looks good here. Bullish pattern after a strong move, and now it curled up out of it, and it's over that 786. Yeah, that's what I see anyway. It looks good there. Maybe we need to go look at Litecoin, because people are probably going to start buying on the rumors, and then once the ETFs come out, then it'll dump. Let me go look at Litecoin. Well, he said, what'd you say? Devs burn tokens for math. It dropped last night when BTC was pulling back. Maybe someone panic sold. Oh, maybe. Philip says Hopper. Hopper on... I'll just probably find it. I think we looked at that one before. Hopper on... Hopper token on ETH. Gotta be it. There's 2 of them there. This one, Hopper DAI. I'll give you a minute to see if this is the right one. Litecoin. Damn, I went way back. Wyatt back in the house. I appreciate that. Smash the like button. Yeah, everyone please hit the like button. Wouldn't that be something if Litecoin takes off very soon? Let me take the volume off of the chart. 26 million market cap, 7,000 holders. I guess this is the right hopper. Hopper on ETH at a 26 million market cap. Keep it simple. Go from the high here to the low, which we could pull this up to here, and you could clearly see there's a clear bottom here. One wick below it, of course, a couple of wicks below, but that's the clear bottom, and it's clearly getting stuck right here. Not much of a difference. We'll just pull it down to the wick. Keep it simple. No reason to overcomplicate it. It needs to get over 6.9. It is at 5.8. Once you get over 6.9, it will confirm this accumulation bottom is the bottom. And then once you get over 9.1, this level here, that's when this thing's going to be bullish to push higher. And then where is it going to push to? If it's like the rest of the meme coins that make new highs, you can see that once it breaks 27.9 there, 28 pennies, the next stop would be about 45.5 and almost an 8x on your investment. So an 8x to a new high on Hopper. PNG pumped, but then retraced. Did it break out? Did it break out of its little pattern? Let's see. If PNG pumped, then we need to go look at IOS network to see if it also pumped. All right, so math we looked at. I was fixing to type Hopper. What'd you say? Oh, PNG pumped. We're gonna go look at Litecoin too. I want to see if Litecoin's getting ready to go. Oh yeah, PNG didn't really do anything. It did pump, but it's still technically in the downtrend, depending on where you move this to. If we leave it here, the candle's back below there, but the wick's above. So yeah, it's still stuck here. But overall, we're liking what we see. It's in this bullish structure. It's curling up off of that wick. It's over the 1272, and it needs to break over this 30 level. Once it breaks over 30, you'll know it's breaking out. I don't know if we ever drew. We probably did. Okay, if we go high to the low, it is over the 236, so the short-term bottom is confirmed here, and you can clearly see the 382 to be bullish is over 30, and we have that 1414. So yeah, I would say once it gets over 30, that's probably when you're going to have a large green candle spawn in here. So yeah, it looked like it tried, but ultimately it's still in the pattern. But every time, as we always point out, in the bullish pattern, went to the moon. That's what we're expecting again. Measured move takes you all the way up here, 221. So what did AOS? Did AOS also move? It doesn't have to, but the charts look very similar in my opinion. As you can see, the same pattern back here, pumped, the same pattern here, and it's trying to hold up. But yeah, they're not doing anything yet. If you zoom out to the macro, they're not doing anything. And then OG says Litecoin to the moon. Just going to get everybody on the Litecoin rocket. What is Litecoin doing? I know I have a chart on this. All right, Litecoin. I believe Litecoin on the monthly. Just to zoom out. Looks a little messy here. All right, Litecoin low to the high. It's been holding the 618 over 60. Let me move that one off for just a moment. It's getting stuck right at the 382 at almost $71. It's above the 0.5 at 68. If it gets over 77, it's bullish again to try to push up. And then clearly, once this thing breaks these highs here over 115, that's when she's going to the moon. So maybe we get a decent move up with them talking about Litecoin EFTs. 27% move. Yeah, I mean, Litecoin, it's just, I don't know. It's not doing anything really on the macro, that is. It's really not doing anything. Litecoin, $700, 11x, 58 billion market cap. So what's the target? What is your target for Litecoin? That would be your 10, 11x there. 3.5x would be up here. 250. A 250 Litecoin would be a 3x. And then it would make a new high and it'd go back to zero for the next bear market. I don't really know what the consensus is out there for it's okay, no one likes Litecoin, just wait. Can you do Velo or Velodrome? Anything over $500 on Litecoin. All right, so maybe Litecoin does. These older coins, Litecoin, Chainlink, whatever else is out there. This is our target we've had on the chart, and every time I cover it, this is where we're going. $776 Litecoin, 58 billion market cap, and your 11x there. So you should get a good 10, 11 grand. 11 grand or so, 10 grand, whatever it's going to be out of this one. Litecoin to the moon. He said, can we look at, what did he say? Elixir. Is that the AXL ticker? Velodrome. Okay, Velodrome. Yeah, Velo and AX Elixir. While we're here, I don't remember the ticker. Oh, here it is right here. Man, I haven't looked at AXS in forever. Yeah, this is what we were looking at yesterday. It's got the bullish market structure. It's getting stuck right now at the 786 here, but it's curling up, it's trying. But as long as it's below 88, it puts in place 70. But if we simply draw low to the high, as long as you're above 75, you're bullish to try to push through that 88 at the 786 here. As long as you're above 75 cents, you're currently at 83. But if you can push through 88, then the next stop up would be the previous high here. At least this high from back here. And then, let's see here. High there to the low. Let's see what level we're over here. All right, you're sitting right on top of the 382. So bullish over 80, you need to break out over 88. Even down to that, what did I say, 75, you would still be bullish. But it's sitting right on top of the 382 high to the low. It looks good here on this curl up. And then where is it going to end up? If we go by the fib we have on the chart here, that is being respected to a degree. The first level here is the 2272. If it breaks over the 260 area, 5 billion market cap on AXL here to 620. So you think it can hit a 5 billion market cap? That's all we have on the chart here for this one for now. That would give you a 6.5x. No, let me switch that because we did come down from the last look. 7.5x up to $6 from 84 here. And if it hits the next target, 980, around $10 maybe, that's where you'll get your 10x, 11x out of this thing. Who do we got in here? I have a huge bag of Velo. Yeah, Velo is the one that's still holding the uptrend. I think Velo's still in a good spot. We'll look at it though. David came in here and said, no, I didn't see your last one. Can you look at MAGA? What do you think the volatility level will be before the election? I don't know. I don't know if they're going to pump before. I don't know. Trump. When we go back to deck screener, just remind me. Can you check? We need Elodrome, Velo and Arrow. Velo and Arrow. Oh, let me get that off the screen really quick. Yeah, how are you guys coming in here doing? What you guys up to today? I know a lot of people are at work. Finally got 20 people in here. Jumping over to Velodrome to the moon, low market cap, Coinbase coin, good play, good spot it's in. This is what I've been pointing out. It broke that downtrend. It's still holding the uptrend, and it's curling up here. Starting to make higher highs and higher lows. And then once you get this thing over to stay over, you can see it's getting stuck there. This is a 3-day, weekly, monthly. You just need a good candle over 11 here. You can see on the monthly candles, if you get a monthly candle to close above 11.3 here, that may tell you that this thing's finally going to start moving up. Weekly candles aren't holding, but you need some follow through once you get over 11 here. But it looks good. It's sitting right on the 0.5. We can easily adjust the trend line here. It doesn't have to be perfect to fit our narrative of where it's holding. You can go there, or you can simply just keep it where it is here. Or if we pull it down here, then you can still see the price may end up coming down below. So if you fall below 8.7, then this thing is going to drop back down to the trend line here and drop 20% or so down to 6.7. But it doesn't have to. If it starts to pull away from the trend line, that could indicate that you're about to move up. But this is a good spot. Holding the uptrend, broke the downtrend, sitting on support. Another level we can draw. High to the low. Yeah, you're sitting right on the 236 here at 8.2. So that tells you the bottom is in here. And then where's Velo going to end up? Velodrome here. If I can get this to move. We do have a couple of targets, of course, we look at all the time on Velo. The first one being $500 million market cap, 566. I don't know if this was... Why are these below? All right, so they're below. So around the dollar area would be the 1618, 566 million market cap, unless that has changed. Let me go check. I think someone said that the Velo supply had changed. Let me go look just so we can update this while we're on it. Velo. Come on, my computer's acting really slow at the moment. $74 million market cap. Let's see here. Almost half in circulation. 850 million, 851 million circulating supply. All right, so they have 800 and, what did I say? 851 million in supply. So let's see if that matches up. All right, so maybe that's to there. $833 million. Does that sound about right? So if it gets to $1, it does a 10x, 833 million market cap. If it comes up to $4, let me go ahead and just take that one off. $4 on this thing, what would that be? So $4 would be 4 times that. Correct. Doesn't help when my computer keeps freezing. Maybe they did release tokens. I don't know. That would be a 3.4 billion now. Let me go back over to the chat really quick here. I feel like I'm talking to myself. LTC to 500. All right, so looking at Aerodrome, so I fixed the market caps there. If it comes up and hits about $1.98, that would give you just under $1 billion market cap and 10.5x on this thing. If it comes up to the 2272 level, $4, that would give you a 3.4 billion market cap and a 45x. And then I'm gonna have to readjust this one, but I'm not gonna do that right now. So it's either gonna hit around $1 billion market cap, or it's gonna come up here and hit over 3 billion market cap. That's a decent move. If Velodrome does a 45x, then good. And then Arrow, what is Arrow doing? Is Arrow still holding up? The last time we looked at Arrow, it was trying to hold. It's at 116, so yeah, it's over the 382, sitting right on top of it. But you see the respect that it's giving to these levels here, so it looks good. As long as you're over 115, we are bullish on Arrow. We zoom in a little bit here. Just keep it simple. 115, you're bullish. If it goes lower than that, then it is going to end up dropping all the way back down here to about 86. But it is holding here very good. Yeah, that'd be about a 26% drop. I don't think it's going to come right all the way back down after moving up here. But yeah, Arrow is bullish over that price. Next target to beat is 139. Once you get over 139, 162. And 162 is your potential breakout point. But simply measuring it, if it holds here, you should get a spike up of about 19%. And then in total, all the way up to that 618 to break out potentially is about a 39% move here. But yeah, Arrow's looking good. I know a lot of people call for about a $20 Arrow, maybe $40. Could be the case, but we'll see. We do have the top of the fib here. So just something that you can see that's an actual level to be hit would take you all the way up to the top of the fib, 4236. Maybe this is the target for this cycle. About 880, 5.6 billion market cap, and a 7.5x. So does that seem fair, or do you really think Arrow is going to hit $20 plus? You know, if it does, so be it. I hope you guys make a lot of money on Arrow. I lost all my money on Arrow, but it is what it is. But if it comes up here, hits $20, then that's where you're going to get about a 17x. But not bad. Arrow to the moon, I guess. And that would give you, of course, this is almost $9, so that would just pretty much double that. So maybe a 12, 13 billion market cap would be at that $20 level. Maybe 14, 15, I don't know. I'm on the wrong thing. I'm on deck screener. All right, let me go back over to the chat here. But yeah, Arrow looks good after it came all the way down. It's back over the 3-2, so you're back to being macro bullish here. All right, so Alicia says honk and gods. Chaya says I need a 10x. You just need a 10x? Is that all you need for the whole cycle? Or you need a 10x on something? Oh, on Velodrome? Just need a 10x. Hope you get it. We'll go look at gods first, and then we'll go look at Trump and honk. Is gods doing anything at all? God's on our KuCoin chart here. What is God's doing? Let's zoom out. Let's fix this really quick. All right, so God's here. Another one that broke the downtrend, perfectly hit the trend line and got stuck and came back down. Let me go ahead and pull this here. Let's see what God's did. After it came up, hit the 786 final support level, so that was the buying opportunity there. And now it's back above the 618. So as long as you're holding over 18, you can see clearly the structure here. It's holding another small uptrend, the higher lows. As long as you're holding that and holding above the 618 here at 18, the big price to beat is, or the next price to beat rather, about a 19% move up to 22. And once you get over 22, you can see we have the macro 236 and the 382 here, and you'll be bullish over 27, 45% move. But it's looking good here. Bottom was put in, and now she's curling up. Or now it is curling up. I don't know what you call a god, a he or a she. God's unchained to the moon. And then where is it going? From where we are right now, still below the macro 236. If it comes up and hits a 0.5 retracement at 91, that would give you a 4.5, almost a 5x. And if it comes up here to the market caps here, 443 million market cap on this thing would take you up to 155 at the 618 and an 8.5x. Now, my big question is now, what is the market cap right now on Gods? I'm looking it up right now. Trying to be as most realistic as I can with these price targets. You know, for all you guys out there. Because it's all going to also depend on the market cap, where it is now. 59 million market cap, so not even at 100 million. That's when you ask yourself, can Gods? It'll probably hit this. So 618 retracement is in the works, maybe. So maybe an 8.5x on Gods to 156 there. And can this thing hit almost $1 billion market cap? 17.5, almost an 18x to 956 million, 335. So 2 good targets to watch here, I would say, on Gods. But can it hit this is the big question. And of course, then we have the new high target. If you want a moonshot gamble, $30 Gods token, 160x, 8.7 billion market cap. So if Gods hits a new high and goes to $30 and does that move, then OG is going to be rich on Litecoin, because Litecoin is going to do 1,000x or 100x. So yeah, I think these are fair on Gods. I don't think it's going to hit this up here, to be honest. Be nice, but all right, we're gonna go look at Honk and Gods. Shaq, how's it going? I don't know if you've been here before, but welcome. XBGXborg, is that a meme coin? Because we're going over to Deck Screener now. Yike says, sup chat, what's up everyone? How's it going, Yike? He says spell token. Yeah, what is XGB? Blaze in here. We got 26 people in here now. I welcome all you guys coming in here. A safe 10x. I don't know why that was funny. GameFi coin. So it's on. Okay. We'll go over to. Yeah, I didn't forget about your Trump, David. I'm gonna get over there in just a second. Honk and Trump. Let's look at spell really quick. And like I keep saying, you know, if I miss it, just remind me again. When we get a lot of people in here, we get a lot of coins asked for. But a safe 10x coin, maybe the chat can answer this for you. And then I'll give my opinion. What's a safe 10x coin that you think is an easy 10x? Guaranteed almost. No, I'll just say it, Dogecoin. If you have enough money to just, and all you need is a 10x, Dogecoin is your play, not financial advice. Yeah, Eric, we just looked at math. Yeah, it came down, but it's going back up. It's got a nice wick forming. All right, let's go look before I end up forgetting XGB and Spell. I look at Spell all the time. We cover it on the channel. It's another one on Coinbase that I'm bullish on. Spell to the moon. Spell here. So our Spell chart. Spell's another one that broke the uptrend, retraced. It's in a very good spot here. It's consolidating. It held that last final 786 low to the high support at 49. 3055 is where you're at right now. It's simply consolidating off of this wick. We have the market structure in play. This thing looks extremely juicy. I keep saying that word today, but it looks good here. If I had the money, I would buy Spell right now. But it is on my playlist here to hopefully get in before it pumps. Which I'm trying to get this off of the chart, this little dot. But yeah, Spell token here. Let's move this down. It's consolidating after breaking the trend. Very bullish looking here. It's curling up. Before we know it, it's going to break over this 6.5 level. And then once you break over that, the bottom is in. And then we'll head to the macro bottom confirmation here at the 236 on the macro at 0096. That's about a 75% move. So 74% move from where you are right now to confirm that this is all the bottom in, and then bullish over 0018. So as long as we're below this level here, this is my buying zone. I wish I could buy right now, but ultimately, as long as we're in here on Spell token, I think Spell's going to have a decent run this cycle. It's down 6%, but like I said, it looks good there. And then where is it going to end up? Let me go look. What is the... Now that we're live streaming a lot on the channel here, I'm now looking more into what the market cap is on these things right now, because I can't remember everything. Spell token. Spell is sitting at 83 million market cap. Okay. 83 million market cap, has about 77% of the supply in circulation. That's a good number, in my opinion, at least. So realistically, from an 80 million market cap or whatever I said, 1.5 billion market cap up to 1 penny. Yeah, I think Spell's going to hit this. 19, almost a 20x on Spell. If it goes lower, 618 retracement, it only hits 1005. It's still a decent move here. So maybe the 618 at 005 is a very good spot to take profit if you're in on Spell down here. 9.5x, and then maybe let a percentage ride to these higher targets here. So 2 good targets here on Spell token, and then new high target. Yet again, we're bullish on these things, but you got to be realistic. Is it really going to go from where it is now to a 14 billion market cap and hit 9 pennies and do 170x almost? Maybe not. That would be nice, but that's your moonshot. That's your moonshot gamble here on Spell token. Couple of good targets, 3 pennies, or 003, 005, and then 1 penny would be some good targets to take out profit. Because even this 003 is a 5.5x from where it is right now. And that's probably going to get hit. So good 5x play here. Because he was just asking for a 10x play. I think Dogecoin is easily going to 10x. Philip says God's all-time high was 880. Was it? Yeah, maybe it goes higher. I don't remember what we just said on it, but God's, what did I say on God's? And where'd it go? Yeah, it depends on what chart you're using too to see the previous high. Okay, yeah, we got 888 here on this one. And you guys probably know better than I do the tokens and what it's doing. I mean, it's down here. It's been going sideways for a very long time. If it's going to be something, if people are going to buy into it, it could hit this target up here. But, I'm just trying to be as realistic as I can. Maybe it does. Maybe it doesn't. I don't know. but still some good levels here, I would say, on Gods. Gods Unchained. And then what else did someone say? I know there's a lot being asked for right now. I'm getting behind again. Yeah, we got to go over to Deck Screener. We got to look at Trump and then Hoppy, MAGA Hat now. What else did someone say? Yikes said CVC. I'm an Arrow. Hope I can swap to Doge if Arrow pumps first. Yeah, we'll see. I think Dogecoin, Shiba, all those older coins, I think they're going to pump near the end. I could be wrong on that. Oh yeah, honk for Alicia. Honk. Yeah, let's go over there really quick. But yeah, we got quite a bit we need to look at. XGB Borg. Oh yeah, it's for Shaq. Let me look at that really quick. Oh, we got Elizabeth in here, $9.99. I appreciate that. I found a total gamble coin, Giga, on Sol. It's one that launched 12 hours ago, 300K market cap. I took a small position. It could totally rug. Oh, we're gonna look at it, Elizabeth. I appreciate the $9.99. I have to look at that one first since you paid me to look at it. But yeah, hopefully it is a good play. I'm still waiting on my Sol Ordi to do something, so I can look at these gamble plays too. What do you say? XGB, XBG. Let's see if we can find XGB really quick here. XGB or XBG. Maybe I did it wrong again. Xborg, this one here. This? I don't know why my voice got high. But yeah, Elizabeth, I appreciate the $9.99 there. Appreciate you being here. XGB Xborg, please. Okay, that's what we're looking at right now. Just got to give me a moment because we got too many coming in all of a sudden. XGB, Xborg. This thing already pumped. We're looking on the KuCoin, or not the KuCoin. Wrapped Ethereum on Arbitrum. What is this thing? I'm all the way down here on the 12-hour chart. This thing already moved. Yeah, it's going to take a minute. So low to the high, it's still over the 382. So you're bullish over 23. Let me put this on log and see if it tells us anything different. Yeah, something like this with this structure that it has. It looks bullish right now. Depending on what time frame you look at. All right, we'll look on the daily here just to keep it simple. As long as you're above 21 here, there's a large wick there. We could even pull this up to there. But yeah, just to keep it simple, it's at 27 right now. What we can simply do is say, as long as it's over 21, you're at 27. I already said that. But the strong move up here, you can clearly see what has formed. Very bullish continuation pattern here. So this thing's about to go again. We saw the same thing on several different coins. Once they have a strong leg up, they form this bullish symmetrical triangle pattern, pennant, whatever you want to call it. That's just a continuation pattern to the upside here. So she's about to run again. And where is it going to run to? If we go to the high there on that same candle to the low, sitting right on the 1272. Let me get this other one off. And it needs to break over 29 here. Once it gets over 29, you know you're breaking out, and it'll probably have a large green candle spawn in. And if the measured move is going to come into play off of this, just a rough draft here, you can see pretty much to that next 2272 level, depending on how you draw it, at 82. But we'll keep it simple and measure it from where you are right now. Once you break over 29, next stop is 37.5, a 38% move. And then if it spikes all the way up here, 200% move. So a 3x out of this pattern potentially to 82. But you also got to watch this. But that's really all I can say. It's bullish right now. Bullish consolidation inside that pattern there. Not bad. As long as you stay over 247 here. you're alive in this pattern. If you fall below that and you take that out, then there's a chance it's just going to go back to zero. But yeah, it doesn't look bad here. All right, so now we got to go over to deck screener because there's too much stuff coming in here. Crypto Shock for 5. I appreciate that a lot. It's up on deck. Can you check on Moonwell? Appreciate you. Yes, we can look at Moonwell. We'll come back over to Moonwell in just a moment. I gotta go look at deck screener really quick. I appreciate that a lot. Welcome back. All right, let me get this over to deck screener here. Let me move that for a minute. All right, I appreciate that, Zach. Or what did I call you? I think I called you Shaq a while ago. Shaq. Yeah, I think it is Shaq. Hopefully I'm saying that right. I appreciate you. All right, let me get over to deck screener. But yeah, hopefully that helped. That coin looks bullish right now. Hopefully you're making money on it. All right, we looked at Hopper. Now I got to go back over to the chat. She said since she paid me, I got to go look at Giga. Let's see what Giga is. Giga on Sol, 300K market cap. Let's see here. Hopefully it hasn't broke out yet. Didn't you say 300K? This one has a market cap of 25K. All right, I'll just pull it up and you just have to tell me, is this it? Eric says, Carrot and Big Time on my gaming coins this run. Crappy tokenomics, but first bull run. Yeah, I like Carrot. Haven't looked at Big Time in a while. Oh, GG. Oh, you said not GG. Let me go look at your super chat again. I'm sorry. Giga. Oh, okay. We'll get it. Giga for Elizabeth. She's going to be a millionaire off of Giga. This one right here, Chat GPT. Yeah, this has to be it. I don't think it's the Giga Chat one. $300K market cap, not even 500 holders. You got in at 00, what did you say, 002? That's it, okay. You got in at 303, okay. Let me see here. Damn, we're gonna have to go way down on the time frames. 4-hour time frame here. So you just got in pretty much? Let me see here. All right. Let me check this one on rug check. Just to make sure it's not a rug pull. There's nothing I can do with the chart here, by the way. Really. It just came out. Good gamble play, like you said, I guess. Yeah, I can't do anything chart-wise. 300K market cap, liquidity, not even 500 holders yet. Wait, make sure you guys can see this, okay. I'm looking at their Twitter. They got 732 members on Twitter. All right, they're active. That's good. And how are you guys on Twitter doing? I always forget you guys on Twitter because you don't ever say anything. Got 27 people in here, 5 people on X. But let me check this one really quick on rug check. What does the website look like? I know you guys can't see what I'm doing here, but you know, you can go do your own research yourself, I guess. It's got a decent website. Last thing, real quick, let me check it on the rug check and see if it says it's a scam. Once I get it pulled up, maybe I'll share it with you. Share the screen and what it says. Top holder is 10%, and next holder is 11 or 6% of the wallet, so not bad. Oh no, it's got locked LP 100%, so that's good. But let me share this with you, everyone here. Yeah, Eric, we just went over X-Borg. X-Borg looks bullish right now. It's about to go to the moon again. But yeah, you guys can see this, huh? What it says here. Warning, warning. All right, give me just one moment. But yeah, that's really all I can do. Your gamble play there. Gamble play to the moon. Hold on, dog. My dog's barking. Where were we at? All right, I know we got more on deck screener here, but I can't remember. Yes, we can see how you are researching it. Look at the 15-minute chart, she says. We're on a 2-hour. Yeah, it doesn't look bad on the 15-minute. We'll see if it can pump up and make a new high. Like I said, it is new. It is a meme. It's going to be very hard to do anything on here. But what I can do is go from that wick low to the high here on the very short time frame. It is right below the 0.5, so it needs to get over 3.2. It's at 3.1, and then bullish over 3.8. So 3.8 would be a good thing to watch. If it gets over 3.8, it's bullish. And then, of course, it's even more bullish once it gets over 4.6. So 2 good steps in the right direction for this thing. And then I guess we'll just go from this one here, which is starting to move again. But yeah, hopefully you make some money on it. If we go from the high here to the low, there's a tiny wick on that candle. So if it comes up and makes another high here, it is making higher lows. So it's bullish on that end. But if it comes up here from where it is right now, makes a higher high, it'll go up 140%. Up to about 307. But yeah, I mean, gamble play. See what happens here. It could be something. It could go to $1 billion market cap and higher. All right, what else did we want to look at on deck screener? I know there was more, but now we're getting behind. Trump. Oh yeah, Trump. I forgot about Trump. So hopefully that helped Elizabeth. Adrian says Turbo. Turbo looks good as long as it's over 0098. Chris says Blue Bulls going to raid you for support. I don't know what that means. No idea what that means, Chris. Blue Bulls. Didn't we look at a coin called that? Blue Bulls? All right, we got to go look at Trump. He asked for this a long time ago. Oh, yeah, and then we got to go back and do Moonwell for Crypto Shock before he ends up leaving. Nero on Solana looks tasty. What's up, ISO Jetpack? How's it going? Honk, Nero, and then I got to go look at Moonwell. Honk, Nero, and Turbo. Well, I got those in my mind. Honk really quick because I know we already have a honk chart. Honk, Nero, and Turbo. Honk to the moon. Honk and used car already broke out. Yeah, it looks just like used car. It is below the 382 or the 382 at 4.4. So technically it's not bullish anymore, but you need to hold 2.5 here. If it holds 2.5, then it's good. One other thing we can do on honk real quick is go low to the high. Let's see what it's holding here. And it's right below this 382 also. So if it can somehow get bought back up and get over, what is that, 3.8, it would be short-term bullish, and maybe it'll push back through the 382 here at 4.4. But initially broke the downtrend, it pumped, it's pulling back. As long as it holds here, it'll probably go right back up. And then honk from where it is now to make a new high. You can clearly see, hold on, the school's calling me. Hello? All right, it was nothing. Oh, is that why it dumped? Some community posted math was migrating. It was an old post from 2020. Could be. That's unfortunate though. But yeah, we're looking at honk right now. Honk. Yeah, what did I say? Honk to a new high from where it is right now would be what, a 35x? 35.5x for honk to hit a new high, which is probably going to end up doing. And then Trump finally. What Trump did you say? Trump. I'm going to have to go back over to the chat to remember what you said. Yeah, you're welcome, Elizabeth. Hopefully that helped. Appreciate you. Trump, yeah, we're going to get to Trump. Let me go back up here and see what you said about Trump. Yeah, XGP. Hoppy and MAGA hat. I forgot about those. I'm trying to scroll up here, but I'm getting lost. Ticker symbol Trump. Just tell me again, what Trump are you talking about? And I'll look back at it here in just a moment because I don't remember what you said. You said Trump. Is it the MAGA? Is this it? 154 million market cap. Trump on Ethereum, MAGA. This is the one we look at all the time. Trump on ETH, MAGA. Okay, so this is it then, huh, David? Okay. Good deal. It's good when you guys answer me really quick. That helps things move right along. So, MAGA. High there to the low. Came all the way up. Hit the 2618 perfectly. I'm just saying this for my own... I don't know what you call it. But yeah, it doesn't look too bad. It depends on where. Let me just draw another fib here. We're on the weekly chart, by the way. So from that pullback to that high, came down, hit the 0.5, bounced. It's back above the 382. So as long as you're above 285, you're at 337. You can consider this thing bullish here, and it's getting stuck right at the 236. So it needs to break over 564. I know these are large targets here, but this is the weekly chart. But it gives you the best macro look at what's going on here. But yeah, it's bullish over the level it's at right now. And it's making higher lows across the whole chart here. Higher highs. It looks very good. So as long as you're over that point there, the next big leg up, well, we'll just do this here. To come back up to the high where you got stuck is a 5x. And then once it breaks through 1690, it got up that high. Next stop is a 41x to the 3618. Is that even possible? This thing's already up a ton. But yeah, those are the levels. It's bullish over the 382 here. Higher highs, higher lows. Maybe it has a large spike up because we are coming up on the elections here. I would not be surprised. But just be careful if it does spike up and it's around election time or the night of. It may sell off and go back to zero right after the election or before. But if it does a 40x from here, I would probably get out. That would be me though. 40x overnight, I'm running. What else we got here? I can't keep up. Some community. Okay, we read that. Got 34 people in here. We're doing good. What time is it? 11. We've been on for an hour and 20 minutes. MAGA, Trump on ETH. Chris says, give me your Sol address to send you some blue bowls for mention us. I don't want you to miss out. My Sol address. Did we look at blue bowls? Let me pull it up here. Yeah, I used all my Sol address is in on the channel, on this video description, on every video description. My Solana address is in there. I forgot. I have Tether, Bitcoin, and Solana because I like using Solana. So if anyone ever wants to send me some Solana, I can easily gamble with it as soon as I get it. I said this before because if you send stuff on super chats here on YouTube, not only does YouTube take 30%, but I don't get that money for a month. You get paid once a month on YouTube. But yeah, the Solana address is in every video description and this live stream now, so just go find it. I appreciate that though. Send me some blue bowls. We're gonna go look it up. Eric for $4.99. I appreciate that. Thanks for your time. I like these live streams. I do too. The days go by really fast, which is not good, but I enjoy these live streams. I got to keep it up so I don't have to go back to work anymore. I got to go to work tomorrow, but I would rather do this full time. Videos, do about 10 updates a day, and then do live streams a couple of times a day or one time a day for like 5 or 6 hours. Be a slave to all you guys wanting me to look at every little coin in the world. Blue bowls. Am I saying that right? I appreciate that a lot, Eric. You guys are all appreciated here. Blue bowls. Okay. Blue bowls. Oh yeah, we looked at this one. Damn, this thing's way down there. Blue bowls to the moon. 16K market cap, 13K liquidity. Blue bowls on Solana. Did you find this coin or did you make it? 278 holders. Okay. Blue bowls to the moon. Hold on, I'm trying to see something here. Oh yeah, I forgot we have a Discord. Who out there in the chat is on the Discord? I haven't been there in a while. Every time I go there, I have to boot someone out because they're scamming people. Yeah, Blue Bowls looks good. I just ran it on Deck Screener or Rug Check. Says good. Only bad thing is a low amount of liquidity providers, LP providers, but it looks good. All right, Blue Bowls to the moon. We looked at it last time on the chart, high to the low. It's still down below the 236. We're on log scale here. So this thing needs to move up from where it is right now. 56% to confirm the bottom. Oh, excuse me. Oh, this is the 4-hour chart too. Yeah, I guess we got to stay on the 4-hour chart. So this one came out not too long ago, huh? Let me see. Oh, we're not even correct. Let me pull this down. But yeah, I'm glad you guys enjoy the live streams here. Now that I'm doing them, I should have done them a long time ago because the channel's finally starting to get back up on its feet a little bit. Slowly creeping up on 9,000 subscribers, which is nice. And come on, get out of my way. Low to the high on blue bowls. Hit the 786, held. That looks good. It's back down below the 618, but it may get bought back up here. All right, but other than that, if this thing comes up and makes a new high, which it may go higher, I don't know. Not bad, a 6X. Up to 409. Blue bowls. All right, let's get back over here. We made our dev is the real deal. Okay. Well, hopefully this thing does run and it is something. Chris with the blue bowls coin. Another good one on Solana, I guess, to keep an eye on. The fact that it formed a bottom here and it's going sideways is good. Even though we are on the smaller time frames. But yeah, it's holding up even on the daily. You just need this thing to run. All right, what else did we want to look at? But yeah, I appreciate the super chats coming in from you guys. I appreciate. Did you send me? I would have to go and look on my phone to see if you sent me some Solana. If you did, I'll buy in. All right, I'm just checking my phone. All right, so there was another one we need to look at here. Did we cover Trump? Hopefully that helped with Trump. MAGA for David. I think someone said Hoppy earlier. Hoppy to the moon. But yeah, yet again, Eric, I appreciate that a lot. Hoppy, what is Hoppy doing? Hoppy, can't spell because my computer keeps lagging. Hoppy to the moon. Is there any other meme coins? Anything moving right now? Or any good gamble plays? This is what we're looking for. Ethereum, whatever it's on, we want them in a downtrend like this and curling up. If you can see that with the stupid things in the way. And then they break out and they slowly go to the moon. Some go straight to the moon. Yeah, we got to go look at Moonwell. I forgot about Moonwell. Moonwell to the moon. Let's finish Hoppy really quick. Hoppy, it's bullish. It's over the high. It's holding. It looks good from where it is now. If it runs up, 8x, potentially up to 002, would be a good, decent move up. 147% move to 306. You're at 302 here. It looks good. Hoppy looks good. It's bullish. It's over the previous high and it's holding. Higher highs, higher lows. It's getting ready to go. Okay, we got to go back over to... yeah. Let's go take a look at Moonwell. What is Moonwell doing? Make sure you guys can see this. All right, Moonwell for... Who sent me for Moonwell? Oh yeah, Crypto Shock. We're doing your Moonwell. Hopefully you're still here. It's 20 minutes late, but we're doing it. Moonwell, back over to the Moonwell charts. Go back out to the weekly. Yeah, Moonwell, we've been pointing this out on Moonwell, that it needed to break this yellow line here at 7.2, which it did not do. So it could still try, but as long as it's getting stuck here, if we zoom out, double top with a lower high is not good. But if we go back over here, and we mention this all the time, that it runs up and it comes right back down. It runs up, it comes right back down. Almost every time. It has a huge retracement on this thing. But Moonwell, from everything I see on it and hear on it and the views it's getting on the channel, there's a lot of people bullish on Moonwell. So Moonwell is going to go up. Right now, looking at it low to the high, you could say you're down below the 0.5 here at about 5.3. But as long as you stay over 4.5, this thing is still bullish to push right back up. 4.5 down to 3.4. Any of those levels hold, you could push right back up here. We take this a step further. Let's go down to the 3-day. Let's go down to the daily chart here. We go from this most recent pullback. Let's draw a tiny fib on the chart here. Let's see if it's telling us anything. So you're above the 236 here. You can see it's holding here. So as long as you're above 5.6, as long as you're above 5.6 and that 0.5, this thing is still bullish here. Doesn't look bad, but it needs to push through 7.2. Once it breaks through 7.2, you're in good shape. On Moonwell. And then where's Moonwell going to end up going? Probably higher than we're going to go over here, because a lot of people are liking Moonwell here. Just imagine if you bought Moonwell back here. I saw there was a video on YouTube when I looked it up. There was like a 12-month-old video. I remember what it was. Maybe it wasn't 12 months. Let me see, December of 2022. Maybe it was. It was an old video talking about Moonwell. So Moonwell, 786 retracement. Once it gets over the 618 at 10, is going to be about a little over a 4x up to 27 pennies. 767 million market cap. And then our target here, Moonwell, is going to hit a 12 billion market cap, 1272, 424, and a 66x here. 66.5x from where it is right now. So Moonwell is potentially a really good play. Low market cap, Coinbase coin. A lot of people are starting to talk about it, so it is well known. So I don't see how you go wrong with Well here. Well to the moon. Mailman-topia, how's Vara looking? How's it going? Welcome back, David. J. David, hey buddy, hope all is well. Yeah, all is good. Hopefully you're doing good. We're doing good here. We looked at and covered a whole bunch today already. But yeah, hopefully all you guys are doing well. We just looked at well. Yeah, no problem, Crypto Shock. I appreciate the super chat. If you pay me, I will look at it. When did you buy in on Well? Maybe you're one of the early buyers. Jay David says, waiting on know-how to make a big move, debating on grabbing some APU. What is APU? I forgot about know-hat. Oh, you got in at 3? Okay. You're going to get you a 66X and ride off into the sunset with your Moonwell bag. Yeah, I forgot about No Hat. I don't know what APU is. He says Vara. Yeah, what is Vara up to? Used to be so bullish on Vara, and then it fell off the table. I think the last time we looked at, last couple of times, the bottom is in on Vara. Maybe not. Oh man. Is VAR going to go down again? What are we on? Make sure we're on the right chart. All right, we're on the Coinbase chart, but you can clearly see it broke the low. And now it's below it. What are they doing over at Vara? They have such a bullish looking website and everything. Why is this thing going to zero? Does anyone know? It held this low twice off of 2 wicks, and now it broke it, and now we're below it. I can't do anything with VAR here. It hit, it formed the structure here. It tried to be bullish and curl up like we're seeing on a lot of things. But then it just broke it. Broke the low, and now it's going to zero. I guess I could draw something on here to see where the next down target is, I guess. Do you guys own Vara? Do you own Vara, the one asking for it? It doesn't look good here. I guess I could draw low to the high here. So it's down below the 1618s, down below the low it tried to hold. Trying to see, I guess I could draw that low. So if we go by this one, and VAR is going to make a new low, the next target here, because there's nothing to catch it, is a 50% drop almost to 009. That would be horrible. And then let me get that one off. I don't know. Maybe you need a short VAR. Low to the high. The next target on this smaller one here will take you down to 1.6. So 1.6 from 1.8 where you're at. So as long as you're below 1.87, it does look like you're going to drop 13% if you do not get back over, which it doesn't look like it wants to. 13% drop down on Vara, and then we'll see what happens there. And then as for how high it's going to go, this is all going to change because every time it makes a new low, we have to pull the chart down, and then it changes all of these numbers here. But yeah, once bullish and now nothing. I don't know what to say on VAR anymore. Eric says Prime prediction. Prime, I forgot about Prime. VAR releases tokens every month. Okay, that's what I think I remember. That's why this thing's going to zero. I don't know. If I was in Vara and I saw this where it's breaking, it broke the low again, that tells me it's going to go lower. I would just cut my losses. Not financial advice, of course. You don't think it matters during alt season? No, it'll go up. But just right now, we don't know where the bottom is on this thing. The time it goes way down here, let me see. Let's see here. For this thing just to come back up to the previous high, is a 20x almost, or 18x. And then, of course, if it goes lower, you know, the 20x, and it depends on how low it goes. You know, it's going to be a massive move, a 30x, just to get back to the high, potentially. But we can't do anything with it until it stops falling. Momentum is clearly down. VAR is melting away to nothing, sadly. I would run VAR up to $1 and get out. Yeah. You said $1. All the way up here. 100x gamble. Well, if for some reason it gets back over and holds that low or something, or it turns into, well, it's already below it, Yeah, still a 60x almost to $1. And they're releasing, so these market caps aren't correct. All right, so let's move on from Vara. APU is a retarded looking Pepe. I would imagine that's on Deck Screener. Prime. I forgot about Prime. Yeah, and if I missed your token that anyone asked for, I apologize. We had a lot come in, and then we had to cover the super chats. Prime. I don't remember what we were looking at on Prime here, but it has the structure here: higher highs, higher lows. Let's go back to the weekly chart. So low to the high. Let me see, high to the low here. Let me move that for a moment. It's confusing me at the moment. All right, low to the high, hit the 0.5, bounced. It's back below the 382. So macro-wise, you need to get back over 847. If we bring up that other fib back on the chart, that is the high to the low. You can see the 1272, that's where it got stuck. And then how high is it going to go? I'll get into a smaller fib in just a moment. But it is curling up here. But we saw VAR do the same thing, and VAR fell off the table. And I mentioned this in one of the live streams recently, that what are your guys' opinion on, I don't know what we were looking at here. That was there. All right, so if it comes up here and hits the 2618 from where it is today, at an 11x to a 3 billion market cap on Prime. But what I was saying is, this downtrend we're in, we moved up like this. One could argue, which I would argue this easily in a bear market. Bear flag, continuation pattern to the downside. VAR already did this, so maybe that's what we're doing. We're never going up. Wouldn't that suck? But the fact that we're on the doorstep of the bull market. We're already in the bull market, in my opinion, but we're on the doorstep of everything going up. I think we're curling up from the bottom here, but I thought I would point that out. I pointed it out in the past, not to be a bear or anything. Yeah, VAR got us bearish, I think. 30 people still in here, almost running up on 2 hours. Been a good stream so far, I think. We looked at Hoppy. All right, you said something else on APU. No hat and APU. No hats. No hat. What am I trying to do here? Back over to Deck Screener. We looked at Hoppy. Is No Hat still active on Twitter? Dog with No Hat. Wasn't whiff pumping today? Oh, see, No Hat here is another Solana one. We'll just draw that there. Downtrend. Downtrend was broken. Back tested. It's pulling back a little bit, but it's still ultimately curling up. Another Solana coin that's breaking out slowly. The slow breakout. It's curled up here at the bottom. And then if this one makes a new high, what am I looking for? Oh, No Hat here. Oh, we were almost there. Whoa. No way. No Hat to the moon. 400K market cap. Almost coming up on 6,000 holders. No Hat could be a very good play. If this thing goes up to the high, if it goes up to the 786, it's a 29x. If it comes up to the previous high, that's an 80x. A little over an 80x. Jeez. and it is starting to curl up. It didn't make a higher high off of that wick. So you can see all the support here. If you guys can see that, 309. Once you get over that, it confirms the bottom is in, and then bullish over 1.8. And then if no hat is going to make a run and break the high and come up to a new high, you can see it may not hit it, but it is on here. 200x, almost a 300x on no hat to hit a new high. So if Solana goes to the moon, then all of these Solana coins are going to pop off. Maybe all at the same time. And then, yeah. No hat, another good potential play here. He said APU. APU to the moon. Let's see here what APU is doing. This one. J. David, hope your channel grows. I appreciate the words. I hope it does too. We got Nicole back in the house. How's it going, Nicole? Humans, AI, ALI, and UFO gaming. Yeah, I've heard of UFO gaming. Is this the right APU though? I would imagine it is. APU. Oh, we're on the 4-hour chart. That's why it looks like that. Wow. Damn, this thing already went. It already went to the moon. It didn't quite hit the high. Let me draw the low to the high here. Man, I hate that so much. So is this thing still bullish? It's trying to hold on right now to the 236 level. You're currently at 3088, low to the high. The 236 is at 88. 887 or so. So it's trying to hold on here. If you hold over this level, it's just barely dipping below it. These are 3-day candles. If you can hold here, this thing's still bullish to push right back up. It broke this previous high, so that's a very good step in the right direction here. And it's holding over that high. So it looks good here as long as you hold that. If you don't hold this and you don't hold this previous high level, then it's probably coming back down. Technically still bullish over 7.4, but I would say it really needs to hold where it is now. So just remember those two prices. And hopefully this is the right APU. And then we go from the high to the low. Just back below the 786, coming back down to the 618 at 79. That's that 382 level. But if it holds up on that 236 and continues to run here, then the new high takes you up to 001. And you're looking at about a 68-69% move here. So if you bought the bottom on this thing and you're already up, you really want a chance holding here for a 68% move for a new high? That's the big question, I would say. Me personally, not financial advice, but if I get a run like this, I'm getting out. And I'm going to find something that hasn't ran yet. What is UFO gaming on? I've covered UFO gaming before. That's just on the regular Dymo. I forgot about Dymo. Yeah, we'll go look at UFO gaming in just a minute, Nicole. And then I don't know the other ones you said. Dymo. Is that what you said? I've heard of this one before. Dymo. This is the right one, hopefully. 42 million market cap. Liquidity is not locked on this one. What's up, Patrick? Welcome back. I was wondering where you were. All right, J. David, that's the one. All right. Who asked for Dymo? What's up, Gans? How's it going? Is this the right Dymo? Yeah, I got a whole bunch of stuff to look at. You guys are gonna have to slow it down. Dymo looking bullish. All right, I imagine this is the Dymo you're talking about. It did have a little pump here. Still making lower lows. Did finally make a higher high. Did pump. So let's do this here. High to the low. Man, I need to get some coffee or something. My energy is just gone. I can feel it. All right, depending on where we draw this at, it is above the 236. We can say that was the low, but it did make a new low, so we'll just stick it there. So this thing is bullish once you get over 229, so pretty much 23 pennies. Currently at 17. And then if this thing is going to break out and make a new high, this is a polygon. Hopefully this is the right one. But sitting right over that 236, confirming the bottom is in. New high on this one, a little over a 6x. 6.5x. 6.5x to $1. Speedy was still pulling back. We looked at it earlier. Narish. Turbo. Yeah, we looked at Turbo earlier, Patrick. Turbo's, it's still sitting on that level. Right above. So as long as you're above that 0098, it looks good. It's still bullish to push. Need that 1 billion market cap already. So I guess we got to go back over to the other one, look at UFO gaming, and then I can't remember what else. Oh, we got J. David for 10. Says nothing. I appreciate that. Is that just a sticker? Oh, we got Nicole for 10. I appreciate that, Nicole. Nicole Smith for 10. I appreciate that a lot. Let me see. Let me go over here. Yeah, I guess those are just nothings. But yeah, I appreciate that. Humans AI. Is that a meme coin? Oh, is that today? The turbo listing on Coinbase for the perpetual spot? Spot is coming soon. So they're having turbo futures on Coinbase. All right, so we're gonna go look at Humans A. Humans A or Humans AI. UFO and ALI. All right. I appreciate the super chat from Nicole. Next time, just do the super chat and then just put the coins that you want me to look at. That way I can just pull it up. Because all the super chats are on their own little list over here. I can click on and just easily look at them. So, UFO, ALI, let me get the screen switched over here. Let's get off a deck screener for a moment. Back over here. It's been a good stream so far. We don't have the lag, not too much today. And we didn't drop the internet, so. UFO gaming. I know I've covered this one in the past. UFO gaming. Okay, so something popped up here. Haven't looked at it in a very long time. Gate.io chart here. I forgot about UFO gaming. Oh, it had a decent little push too. All the gaming tokens starting to push up. All right, UFO gaming. It maybe finally had bottomed out. slightly higher low here, curled up, and then had a nice little pump. Not looking bad. Let's pull this up. It's going to take me a minute because we're going to have to pull up market caps and stuff. Excuse me. The momentum is clearly up right now. So macro wise, once you get over 5011, it will confirm this is the bottom. Short term, we'll draw another one. Macro wise, over 2.4, you're bullish on this thing. This is where it got stuck twice here, back in March and February of last year. And then before we get to market caps up on the screen, which I thought I had a chart for UFO gaming already, I guess not. Short term, the bottom is in. As long as you stay over 5.5, you're at 6.1. Came almost to the 382, slight pullback here. And then once you're over 7.4, short term bullish, and then it'll push you up over that price there up to the 236 to hopefully confirm the macro bottom here. But UFO gaming, let's see what this thing's going to end up doing. Make sure, yeah, you guys can see this. Let me hide that. Yeah, there's some new comments coming in. You got to give me a moment. Yeah, we looked at Spell, we looked at Turbo, we looked at, I can't even remember now. We looked at a whole bunch already. UFO gaming is currently at a 15 million market cap. Oh, all the coins are in circulation. Okay. That's good to see. All right, so UFO gaming here. Let's pull up our measurement. If it comes just back up to the 382, that's 4x up to that level. Let's say a 618 retracement for a decent gain here. 13x up to the 618 retracement. 508. All right, so give me just a moment. If this thing comes up to 508, man, it's got a ton of coins in circulation. 25 trillion. 25.7. Odd numbers there. Times. All right, if we can hit a 618 retracement, someone help me do the math here. What would that be? A 206 million market cap? Trying to speed this along. Coin. Maybe a 206 million market cap. All right, let me go back to the comments because I'm getting... Yeah, we're going to go look at Humans AI and the other one in just a moment if we ever get done with UFO gaming. Patrick, I appreciate that. Gifted 5 memberships. So 5 more members of the Horde. I appreciate that. Saya Coin and Nervous Network in the future. I'm trying to get this thing to load up here. Yeah, it's not gonna load. All right, so we're looking at, what did I say the market cap would be? A 206 million. I'm just gonna write that down. Maybe it's wrong. But not a bad return there, 13x to that level, and then a 786 retracement gets you a 30x up to 401 on UFO gaming. So 2 good retracement levels for potential gains there. And what is the fully diluted valuation? All right, I'll just leave it at that for now on UFO gaming. 618 retracement will get you that, and then you can see that if it comes up to 401, which this thing has 25 trillion coins in circulation. I have too many pages open now. So what did I say? 25 trillion. Oh, too many zeros. That's what the hell is happening. Hold on, I'm trying to get this to work. Just give me one moment. All right, there we go. Finally. Just had to concentrate a little better. We're being an idiot. Times point. All right. We'll just mark this here for now. Could be wrong because the calculator's coming up with a whole bunch of dots on the ending number for some damn reason. All right, 257 million. So 2 good targets on UFO gaming. And then you said, what was the other one you said? Rex 57, Caspa's going to $5, 124 billion market cap. Do I still believe in DGen? Yeah, DGen looks good from the last time I looked at it. Humans AI. Let's look at that one. Humans AI. Yet again, Patrick, I appreciate the 5 memberships. So some of you guys in chat here, 5 of you are going to get a free membership. It's just random, I think. I think it pops up on the YouTube screen, but I'm not on the YouTube screen. And then Nicole says Humans AI. MEXC chart. Is it Heart? Humans AI, Humans Tether. There's a Gate.io one for Heart. Yeah, it says Heart. There's a MEXC chart and a Gate.io chart. I'll look at both of them. Yeah, it's the same thing. So the Gate.io chart here, not looking bad. It looks like the whole thing is curling up here. No idea what this is. Where do you find these coins? High to the low. If we go off the initial candle, let me see if it says anything if we just go off of this. Yeah, maybe better there. All right, high to the low. It just got stuck at the 382 here at 1.9. It is starting to pull back. As long as you're below the macro 1.9, 2 pennies, it does put in play coming back down to 1 penny. So macro-wise, it could drop back down 42%. But what we can do here is simply draw low to the high. It could very well catch support. We saw Arrow do this a couple of times. So you can see it's sitting right on the 236 here at 179. So as long as you're above that, you're bullish to push right back through that 1.9 area and go right back up. 1.7 down to 1.4 here, but it looks good. It's holding up right now on that 1.7 area. Any lower than the 382 at 1.4, then that's pretty much telling you the price is coming back down. You can see the macro 236 and the 618 retracement. So it really needs to hold up here. Do have a gap on this candle, so it could come down to the 382, fill the gap, hit the 382, stay bullish, and then move from there. And then with all that being said, where is it going to end up? Let's pull out the multiplier really quick and the potential market caps. Hopefully this one doesn't have 1 trillion coins in circulation. But if we simply pull up the measurement tool, Humans AI, Heart is the ticker, I guess. So if this one comes up and makes a new high, you're getting a 51x up to 94, 95 pennies. 95 pennies here. I got $1 on this one or 50x. 5 billion coins. Okay. Let's see. Is it heart or hearts? All right, I found it. Human AI hearts. Sitting at 117 million market cap. I just think it's crazy how you guys come up with these coins that I've never heard of. I feel like I've been looking at crypto forever. 81% of the coins in circulation, not bad. Could be a very good play here. Where can you buy this thing at? All right, so let me just simply pull this up. So it's got a circulating supply is 6 billion. So just a rough estimate here. And then where's the price going to end up? We have 11.5 pennies and then 95 cents. So let's see, 95 cents would give this thing a 6 billion market cap. And it's almost at what did I say it was at? All right, so we'll just write this really quick to move things along. 6 billion market cap, 51x for humans AI. So it depends on where you think the market cap's going to hit. Not a bad moonshot gamble there, or 6x up to 11.5 pennies. So what did I say? 6, 3, 2. And then if it only does a 786 retracement, 726 million market cap. But yeah, not bad. All right, back over on Coinbase wallet. Okay. Heart moves up fast. Take a look, everyone. All right, so Chris says, is Ryu Jin the next Shiba coin? I never heard of it. Patrick says, I got a small bag of OTK. How high can it go? What is OTK? UFO is a late market bloomer. How high can Caspa go? Yeah, I already told you that. I appreciate the comment, Rex. Yeah, DGen. What is Alethea Artificial Intelligence? What is the ticker for that? Schmavy, what's going on? Glad you can make it. Haven't been catching your lives. Yeah, good to see you back, though. We've been on here for a while now, over 2 hours. Getting a lot of requests today, so we're looking at them. Nicole sent $10 and it's got 1 million coins for me to look at. But I would say I do about 3 for $10 because this is taking forever. Allie, okay, Allie. Okay, gaming crypto on Sol. Okay, we'll go back over there and look at it in a minute. We're finding some good Solana plays, by the way. What's not a coin? Oh, I was looking at this. You said ALI. You said it twice. I'm trying to go back through the chat, but it's a little too long. Alethea Artificial Intelligence. I believe we've looked at that before. Oh yeah, I've covered this one on the channel before. Alice, I forgot about Alice. You guys know about Alice? My neighbor Alice. That's another gaming coin. Alice to the moon. This one, Artificial Liquid Intelligence Token. No, I must have looked at it recently. It has a yellow line here. We only recently have the yellow lines. It's holding the trend here. It's below the 236 until you get over 1-1. The bottom's not in. But yet again, market structure here, higher highs, higher lows. It's starting to curl up here off of the move down. Broke the downtrend clearly. But yeah, it's holding this trend here. Once it gets back over 1-1, it's at 9. That will confirm this is the bottom, which it looks like clearly a bottom. It's curling up here. It's about to start moving up. It's about to spike up to the 382 probably. So once you get over 1-1, which that's a decent move, almost a 28% move. And then the 382 up at 189, closer to 2 pennies, would be a 100% move. So a 2x. Once you're over 1.8, you're bullish. And then where's this thing going to end up? The 786 retracement here, 420 million market cap, 6.8. A little over 6.5 pennies would get you a 7x, a little over 7x. And if this thing's going to make a new high, 2 billion market cap, 1272 at 32, a decent 34x on this thing here. Yeah, not looking bad on this one. And he said something on Sol. RSR. I forgot about RSR. Reserve rights, yeah. I remember when they said reserve rights would do a billion X. Chris says, did you get your Blue Zeal? Please confirm it. No, I did not yet. I did not look. I'm trying to get these coins done. But yeah, I will look on my phone. Jay David just got a new member. Did you get a free membership? Yeah, Patrick gave out 5 free memberships here. But yeah, I appreciate the words. I'm glad you guys like the analysis that I do. Maxim Chabat. Maxim Chabat. Trying to get used to that name. All right, RSR. Last one for Nicole. RSR, reserve rights. One reserve rights supposed to be the next Bitcoin, if I remember correctly. Yeah, while I'm looking at RSR, I'll go... Did I say that right? It's a French name, Maxim. Maxi. I don't know how to say that. Maximi. I may be butchering that. Maximi Chabot. RSR, and then I'll look at my coin or my Solana wallet. Were you sending me the coin, or were you sending me Solana to buy it with? RSR. Yeah, I haven't looked at RSR in a good while. It's probably has the old RSR. Oh, not too bad. High to the low. Just pull this over really quick. It's above the 236, confirming the bottom. Market structure here looks bullish at the moment. Let's see here really quick. Oh, we already have the market caps on the chart, so that's good. High to the low, bounced perfectly off of the 618 at 3.5. It's back over the smaller 382, so you're bullish over 5.9. And like I said, it looks good here. Once this gets over 8.3, you're bullish here at that price. And from where you are right now, it needs to move up about 26%. Not looking bad. Let me pull this down to here. Sitting above the 0.5 retracement, as you can see. Once it gets over the 618 on the lower here at 7.6, that's the potential breakout. So over 7.6, that should push you through the 382 here, if it holds up. And then where is this thing going to end up? Once you get up to the 618 and get over 2.3, that's your potential reversal and breakout. And if it's going to hit the 786 retracement, 2.4 billion market cap on this thing, about a 7.5x, not bad, to 4.7. The previous high would give you a 6 billion market cap to 12, but if it makes a new high on RSR, which I said, you know, RSR was supposed to be a big one, 19.7 billion market cap, up to about 39 pennies, 1272, over a 59, maybe a 60x on this thing. Not bad, I guess. Eric says Bonk. Bonk is, we're still extremely bullish on Bonk. But yeah, we'll look at it. I gotta go look at the Solana coin. No E at the end for pronunciation in English. It would be Maxim. Okay. Maxim. Hopefully I'm saying that right. Maxim. All right, I appreciate you. I appreciate you coming in and subbing. I appreciate it a lot. H-bar really hyped for that one. Don't you ask for H-bar in every stream? Jay Davis said $2 is cheap. Is it? I don't want to make it expensive just for you guys to get some stickers and a symbol by your name. It's just a way to support the channel, pretty much. We were doing member videos. I know a lot of you guys are members and been members for a while. We only had like 15 to 20 to begin with for a good while. But now that I'm doing live streams, it's really hard to do members updates and live streams. So I pretty much just changed the little thing to join to just, you get the, you guys can read it in the little description or in the videos. I put it in the pinned comment on every video. You're loaded on RSR. 60x is more than what I expect, but I'll take it. Okay. Well, hopefully you just get a 786 retracement at least. Take your profit out, 2.4 billion market cap, and then just let a percentage ride or your initial investment ride to see if it's going to hit the high or even higher than that. That's what I would do. Get you a good, solid, decent, what was it? Yeah, 7.5x, decent move there. Take your profit out at this 4.5 penny, maybe 5 cent range, and then let the rest ride and run off with your profits and be happy. He says, no, I'm not saying raise the price. Okay, yeah. I think it's a good price. I think it's the cheapest price you could do. I don't remember. I think you could do $1. I'm not sure. I don't remember. That was so long ago when I set that up. If we get a lot of members in here, I don't know what you guys think about changing the name, because the channel started off as the Crypto Dead, but then I changed it to the Undead Dog. And then, you know, the name of the group is the Horde. We could always vote on something and change it if you guys wanted to. I don't know if you guys like the Horde or not. That's because everything was zombie themed, and then I made my new my logo that's on the channel. I actually had to make that so I didn't get copyrighted on anything. Bonk to the moon, he says. H-bar and bonk. But yeah, I appreciate all you guys coming in here. I appreciate the super chats. This is the best one we've had so far. 31 people in here. Not the most people. We got 9 people on Twitter, so there's nobody on Twitter talking. I don't know why that is, but I appreciate you guys over on Twitter. Come over here on YouTube and join us. But yeah, H-bar and bonk. Yeah, if we're going to keep this rolling, because I don't have to get kids for a good while. I have nothing else to do. But I'm going to have to take a break in a minute to go to the little boys' room and get a drink. Maybe get some coffee. But I'll leave you guys on here. But we'll go look at H-bar really quick. But yeah, when I said the best stream here, we've got 10 super chats today. It's amazing. I love the support you guys give me. H-bar to the moon. Yeah, H-bar is one of the older ones. We talked about Litecoin earlier. If you guys aren't aware that are just in here, Litecoin's supposedly having some ETFs coming out. 3 of them I heard. So Litecoin may get a decent pump soon. Litecoin to the moon. OG Jerry's going to be rich with Litecoin, and you're going to be rich with H-bar. Yeah, H-bar is like everything else. You can see it here. Yeah, we never checked on Solana. I wanted to see what Solana was doing because I want these Solana meme coins to run. Oh yeah, I got to check on my Solana wallet. Did you already send something to that wallet? Oh, you paid? Okay, all right, David. Yeah, Patrick gave out 5 free ones earlier. I just saw that. Chris, did I get my blue bowls? Chris, are you still here? Hopefully you didn't send a lot, because I don't see anything in here. I'm checking my different wallets because I don't know where this one would be. Just tell me you didn't send a lot because I don't see anything. Damn, I don't see anything. Oh, damn, I gotta plug my phone in. Yeah, that's what I said. Hopefully you didn't send a lot because we need to see if this is going to work first. All right, so I thought you were going to send me Solana to buy the blue bowls. And I was going to buy it here while you guys are on here. Which I will, I don't mind. Those ones that I have in the descriptions, that's Bitcoin, Tether, and then Solana. So if you sent blue bowls to that Solana wallet, that's a Solana wallet. That's for Solana. But give me a moment and I'll like I said, hopefully it wasn't a lot. That's, yeah, confusion there. That was Solana. That's Solana, not my. Because you have to send Solana to Solana. I can get a Blue Bowls wallet though. All right, just give me one moment. All right, well, you sent it to that one, but I don't see anything. There's nothing showing up. So like I said, hopefully it wasn't a lot. I'd have to double check. I've had those on the things for so long. Where is that at? Yeah, we're gonna do bonk still, Eric. I was trying to figure out this. Chris was trying to send me some blue bowls on Solana, and I think we ended up sending it to the wrong wallet. Which, if that's the case, it's probably gone forever. That's fucking unfortunate. I'm sorry about my language. Here, let me go to Deck Screener. Let's go back and look at blue bowls. But this is the one here. I know what I can do. Hold on. If you're still going to send more, I don't know. It may have went to the abyss. Hopefully not, but all right, let me see what the chat's saying because we are getting behind. Turbo, what are we looking at now? While that's loading, H bar is holding up, broke the uptrend. That final support level, it's curling up like everything else here. Looks good. As long as you're holding over 5, I think the bottom is being put in here and it's about to spike up. Bottom is confirmed in over 6.9 here, and from where you are right now, that is a move up of 38%. And then, of course, this green line here, I'm not sure what that was. Maybe it's a 382. Let me pull this back. All right, that's your 0.5, it looks like. But just keep it simple. As long as you're all holding here, curling up, it looks good. Bottom in over that. The 0.5 is a price to beat at 8. And then once you get over almost a double 382 here, dog, come here. 10 cents here. That's when you're bullish on this thing again. Hey. My God. My dog is old and deaf. She can't hear me or see me. What was I doing? Yeah, bullish over 10, breakout over 19, and then where is H bar going to end up? H bar 44 billion market cap, new high at 123, about a 24x. I think that's a good target. If you want another lower target to watch to be conservative, 11 billion 786 retracement 32, decent little 6x on H bar here. But H bar to 44 billion market cap, do you think that's possible? That's the big question. And then turbo really quick. Turbo. We're on the wrong thing for turbo. But yeah, oh no, you said bonk, not turbo. Someone asked for turbo. Turbo's looking good still. As long as turbo's holding over this level, it's at 1 penny. This yellow line here was the previous high. As long as you're holding that, this thing is still good to push right back up. And like you said, turbo is going to get some futures listings. Bonk is still holding up. We're still bullish on bonk. At some point in the future, I will get in on bonk. Yeah, it hasn't changed since the last time I looked at it. Bonk still holding up in this very large ascending triangle pattern. Once it breaks through this box over the 1618, it's too late to get in. It's going to the moon. As long as you stay above and hold this trend line we have, as long as you don't break this low here, I'll be bullish on bonk until it ends up breaking down below 16. I can't help but be bullish on it. So once the price finally, it could go today if it wanted to, but it's probably going to happen at the apex of this pattern here, maybe into next spring, and then bonk's going to the moon. So still plenty of time to get in right now. And the measured move takes you up to that 6.9 billion market cap on bonk, up to 301, taking away 10 on the price, and a 4.5x from today. And then if it hits the 24 billion market cap, 16x up to 303 and a 16.5x. Pretty much we should have moved this just a little bit, but yeah, bonk looks good. 15.5, almost a 16x. All right, yeah, Chris says he didn't send that much, so hopefully you're still here. I didn't get anything yet, but I can get a Blue Bulls wallet if you still want to try to send it again. Yeah, okay, I got a wallet now. I have a couple of pennies of Solana in my Phantom wallet, so I just did 30 cents on Blue Bulls just to pull it up and have a wallet here. All right, so what I can do here just for this video, and then whatever you're gonna send me, if this thing goes up, I'll send it right back to you in the future. If we make some money on it, I guess. BR commented on the AOS video. This thing is doing shit. Someone doesn't like AOS. All right, let me go over here to where we are. I'm on my phone. What's up, Watches? How you doing? Yeah, we're gonna do Goldfinch. I see you. I see you there. I'm not ignoring you. Mark, how's it going? Good afternoon, brother. Any update on AI tech? Yeah, I just did one earlier before we started the stream. There's one on the channel. We didn't look at it on the live stream, but I did it on the channel. All right. I'm gonna put this. I'm on my phone right now in the live stream. Yeah, I'll just post it in the chat and you can just copy it there. That's the easiest way to do it. That can't hurt anything. All you can do is send stuff to that wallet. All right, it should pop up in just a moment. There you go. That is my official Blue Bulls wallet. I got 30 cents worth. I think I got 22,000 of them already. We only got 33 likes. Come on now. All right. Luis the Cool, have you looked at Izzy? It drops a lot. Thanks. No, we have not. We'll get back over to deck screen in a moment. We looked at Bonk here. Bonk's going to go to the moon at some point. We're very bullish on it. GFI. I'm trying to make sure I didn't miss anything. What is GFI doing? Nothing. We went over math earlier. Someone said math rug pulled. But apparently someone shared a story from what someone said, if you guys missed it, of them migrating or something. And it was like 2020 article, and then maybe people got scared and sold. I don't know. GFI. Oh, GFI is still holding up. It hasn't changed since the last time we looked at it. It's still holding the 3-2. It's inside of our support box here. It pulled away from the trend here, which it did back here also. Pulled away, came down, went right back up. So as long as you hold this 166 level, it's good. If you fall below that, you run the risk big time of breaking this wick low here and then just dropping all the way down to the double 0.532 down here at 107 to 111. And then it'll probably go lower maybe. But this is a must hold price for GFI. It needs to get back toward that trend line there, or it's going to fall off the table 35, 38%. 166, you're at 174, so it's trying to hold here. And I would guess that it is going to hold. I don't see why GFI, unless there's something wrong, or are they releasing tokens or something? You know, why it would break here and break down like that. It's one of the ones that has yet to break the downtrend here. And then where's it going? Our target 1272, 52 bucks, 4.4 billion market cap, and a 30x. If it doesn't go that high, 786 would be a 3.5x. And then maybe it comes up near the previous high, around $15. Maybe you get a 8.5x on this thing. But yeah, should be the bottom for GFI. If it goes lower, like I said, then it's going to pull a Vara and just go to zero, maybe. I don't know. I don't think it will, but yeah, we looked at Fox today. Now GFI, Math, Bonk, Turbo. We looked at a whole bunch today. Still got 34 people here. Maxim. Screen's still on Bonk. Is it for real? No, we're on GFI. Okay, we're good. Chris says Ryujin is the next ship coin. Don't sleep on it. Okay, we're all good. Someone asked for, oh yeah, Izzy. So we got to go back to deck screener. Is Ryujin? Where's that at? Is that on deck screener? Back old to trusty old deck screener. Blue bowls to the moon. Izzy, and then he says Ryujin. I don't know what that is. Izzy. Oh yeah, I think we looked at Izzy already today. 2 million market cap, looking good. It's still, the whole chart is just curling up here. It's holding the trend, holding over the 786 at 5049. So as long as you're holding this, the next stop up would be potentially making a higher high from that previous high, and that would take you up to the 1272 at 255 there. So if this holds here, which it has been doing, clearly it's going to bounce, and the next stop up is 280% move, so about a 3.5, almost a 4x on the next move up for Izzy here. Not bad. And then the next stop after that, 12x to 82, 4 zeros 82, and then 4 zeros 2. But yeah, it looks good here. It's about to bounce off the trend line and the support at the 786 and make a new high, and a good 2 or 3x here. What did I say? So if you're looking for a good Ethereum play to do 3.5, 4x, Izzy's your play right now. Looks good there. Daniel, how's it going? He says, can you look at Swift Coin? Yeah, when we get back over there. People call it Izzy a scam. Trademark is gone. Thanks. Drop 40% on Izzy. You're dropping 40% of your money on Izzy? Is that what you're saying? It looks good here for a decent bounce. Doesn't have to. It could break down. It is a meme coin, so none of this is financial advice, of course. But I just tell you what I see. So as long as you're over this 4.9 area, which this is a daily candle, yeah, it's still holding on this area. It's not going to be perfect at 4.9, so don't, it's sitting above this. It's sitting here. It looks good. And then what else? Elizabeth says Giga on Soul starting to curl up. Giga on Soul. Yeah, we looked at that one. That one's going to go, huh? Turbo says Turbo already got futures listings. Yeah, I heard that was today for Coinbase. Oh, Luis says price last 24 drops 40%. Okay. Yeah, Turbo's holding up. So is it going to pump soon? Damn, we looked at a whole bunch today. Giga, she said the volume's coming back in, starting to move. Yeah, green candles moving up. Almost there. Once it breaks over 3.8, it's bullish. Speedy, we looked at Speedy earlier in the stream. I don't remember what it was doing. I think it came down. Speedy, let's go back down to the 4-hour chart. Yeah, Speedy's down below the 236 now. As we can see here, it's getting stuck. So it needs to hold, which you can clearly see if we draw the trend on the 4-hour chart here. Let me simply do that. But yeah, hopefully you guys made a lot of money on Speedy. It was going up for a long time. I guess depending on where you draw it at. My eyes were playing tricks on me, I guess. But yeah, just keeping it simple, low to the high. As long as you stay above 1.9, it's still bullish. The fact that it lost this support could be the top for now. So Speedy could have topped out. Just be aware of that. But it had a good run. That's why I said hopefully you guys took a lot of profit. So 22% drop, any lower than that, and then it's going back down to where it came from. As you can see here. But it had a monster run. Jeez. Good run on Speedy. But if it holds up over either of these two levels, it's still macro bullish and it'll push right back up. West Bend for 2 says, please do pseudo swap. Pseudo. Yeah, I saw pseudo months ago, I believe, on crypto.com. I was looking at the low market cap ones, and I almost bought it when I had money, but I didn't. And then I keep seeing it all the time now. It was a real low market cap, like first listed. Pseudo to the moon. You guys can hear my voice. I gotta get a drink or something. I think that was all here. We looked at Giga, Izzy, Speedy, Hoppy, Hopper, Used Car, Honk, Soul Ordy, that most recent one, Blue Balls, that is, No Hat, Trump. We looked at a whole bunch of deck screener coins today. A lot of good potential plays out there. All right, let's go back over to look at pseudo swap. I don't think we've ever looked at pseudo. We're gonna have to find a chart for it. Pseudo. All right, crypto.com charts. I don't think I've ever used a crypto.com chart on here. Let me see what it looks like. All right, Let's see here. Where do you hold your pseudo at? Wes, Ben, welcome back, by the way. I'll just look at it on the Gate.io chart. That's the chart we use a lot. Not much of a difference. I'm trying to see here. All right, so pseudo, let's put this down to a time frame we can see. Wow. A lot of volatility in this one. Jeez. High to the low on pseudo. It looks like it put in a bottom here. 2 wicks and then a candle with a wick below, but ultimately the candle's holding from what I can see here. Oh no, maybe a little lower. Oh no. Oh, I don't know. This thing may go lower. There's no clear bottom. There's no clear foundation here. And the candles here, my. Yeah, it's clearly made a new low. On the other chart, you only have 1 wick down here. Yeah, this thing, I don't really know what I can do with it. If it holds here, it does have a candle spawning in. We'll keep it simple. It needs to get over 15.5 pennies to confirm a bottom. I'll draw a smaller one in just a moment, but to confirm the macro bottom, this thing needs to move up 150%. And then if we go from the high here to the low, you could confirm that bottom over 9.9, which would still be a decent move up. About a 60% move, almost 59% move. And then bullish over that short term, and the bottom is in over 15, and then bullish over 29. And then, like I said, there's no reason to pull up market caps on here because it hasn't established a bottom here. But if it does a 0.5 retracement, 48, 49 pennies, that's where it got stuck last time. 8x. Damn, where did it go? That's weird. Why did it just disappear? And then if it goes to the 618, a 13x up to 81. And then a 28x up to 169. So hopefully that helps, but it hasn't put in a bottom yet from what I see. It could go lower. Now we got Luke Collins for 499 of whatever that is. I don't know what that is, but hope you're good, buddy. Can you do a Maneki update? Maneki, yeah, we can look at Maneki. Maneki to the moon here. But yeah, I'm doing good. Just I need a drink or something. Been streaming for almost 3 hours here, man. But the way I see it, it's just like me being at work for 8 hours a day. If I can come on here and stream for 3 or 4, maybe 5 hours a day, and we look at a bunch of things, and you know the super chats come in, and if I make what I need to make, then I wouldn't have to work anymore, and then we just do this full time because we're gearing up. We're getting right on the doorstep of the bull run coming in full swing in a couple of months, and all you guys are going to be in here asking for everything. You're going to want to know when to get out of these targets, and new people will be piling in, screaming and crying because they don't know what to do. Got in 15, so down some. Oh, you got in at 15.15. Okay. I mean, like I said, it doesn't have a bottom yet. I was going to say this is the bottom, but then there's clearly the candle below it. But you are bouncing off of that, so maybe it is the bottom. We'll have to revisit this and see if this thing starts to move up, I guess. You know what I could do? Let me see. No, I really can't do anything with it. Well, I guess I could. There's so many wicks on this thing, it's ridiculous. Yeah, I can't pull anything up. If I try to draw a low to the high here, it may pull up something, but then it's really probably not going to tell us anything. Low to the high, as long as you're below that low, it could come down to 4.6 is what I was going to get across. So as long as you're below 6.1, 6.16, you're at 6.14, you could drop easily 25% to 4.6 and make a new low here. So that could be the case. Not the best looking. And then he says, look at what? Maneki. So we got to go back over to deck screener. Yeah, we didn't look at Maneki today. Maneki to the moon. Where's Maneki doing? Yeah, Maneki's another one here. Solana coin finally broke the downtrend, had that initial pump. Let me move this over. It's above the 382, so it's bullish here. Over 735, you're at 7.9. Not too bad looking. Got some nice wicks here. It looks like it's about to start going again. Excuse my voice. Looks good on Maneki. Can't wait for my coin to break out a little bit. And a new high would take you up to potentially 5 pennies and a 6x from where you are right now. Yeah, we're seeing a lot of these Solana meme coins start to break out like this, and then they'll have a slight pullback, and then they'll continue to go. But the fact that they're all breaking the downtrends finally, is that telling us meme season's right around the corner? That's what we didn't look at. So hopefully that helped on Maneki. Maneki looks good here. 69 million market cap, a ton of holders, almost 73,000 holders, 15 million of locked liquidity. Yeah, just remember when this thing pumps up to these levels, if you're holding that long, just don't forget to take your profit. I want you guys to make money. It's starting to move right now as we're looking at it. Little candle spawning in here. Maneki's going to the moon. Yeah, hopefully that helped for Luke. Wes, we got 35 people still in here. Is it possible we covered everything? I probably forgot something, but I can't scroll that far back. Let me see. Did Chris ever send it to the right wallet? If not, it's fine. No. All right, so we looked at that. Yeah, fixing to hit 3 hours here. So I guess we're going to cut it here at 3. I may get back on later this afternoon. I said that yesterday, but I wasn't sure. It's always up in the air. But I think 3 hours is good. We'll give everybody a chance to watch this 3-hour live stream that missed. I appreciate everyone being here. So if there's not one last thing to look at, I appreciate everyone in here, all you guys and girls that come in here every day, support the channel. All the super chats are awesome. The memberships given out are awesome. I appreciate all of it. And I'll do this again tomorrow after I get off of work. Oh, it won't let you copy. Why not? Is it because it's a chat? All right. If not, I'll just, when we end the live stream, I'll just add it to the description and you can copy and paste it from there. Don't want you to get it wrong and, we do it again wrong. But I appreciate it. I appreciate everyone here. 3 hours in, great live stream once again. With all that being said, none of this is financial advice. Good luck in everything you do every day, especially in crypto. And I'll see you guys and gals in the next one. Peace out.